How much topsoil do you need for your lawn, garden, or raised bed? The free topsoil calculator at BuildCalculatorsHQ makes it easy to estimate the volume, weight, waste allowance, and optional material cost. Start by choosing imperial or metric measurements, either the length and width of the area you want to cover. For this example, we'll use an area of 20 feet long and 10 feet wide. Next, enter the desired topsoil depth. We'll use 4 inches, then add a waste allowance to account for settling, uneven ground, and minor measurement differences. 10% is a useful starting point for many projects. The calculator instantly shows the project area, cubic feet, cubic yards, and estimated weight. It also separates the waste allowance and tells you the total quantity to order. Always round your order approximately and confirm delivery quantities with your supplier. If you know the price per cubic yard, enter it to receive an estimated material cost. You can also review the common depth recommendations and planting guidance below the calculator. Actual soil weight can vary depending on moisture, composition, and compaction. Use the free topsoil calculator and complete planning guide at BuildCalculatorsHQ.com. The link is in the video description. Build smarter, estimate with confidence.